Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lizzy, and if you're new here, you're welcome to the family. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe as we go on this journey of finance in terms of making money, saving money, and making our money work harder. So in today's video, we're going to be looking at scholarships still, and we're going to be looking at scholarships from where all this scholarship idea came from, which was when I was speaking to one of my friends based in America, and I found this course which I sent to him, and it was a scholarship, and that's what got me thinking, actually, hold on, what other type of scholarships are there in the UK? So I've shared so many scholarships in the UK, and it wouldn't be fair if I don't share the one I also shared to my friend, to let you guys know, because I know some people from America are watching, and I hope you're able to benefit from it. So please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. God bless you all for watching. Thank you all for the comments and the reviews, and for the words and the messages and the WhatsApp calls. Thank you all. Appreciate it all. Please don't forget though to like, comment, share and subscribe. And God bless this whole channel, and God bless us all in Jesus' name. We're now going to look at the scholarships for today, which is the US scholarship, where all my last couple of videos came from, based on this one scholarship. So let's have a quick look. So the scholarship is called the Cyber Corps Scholarship for Service. If you just type this into your browser, you will come to this page. And if we scroll down, it just shows us on this page what this scholarship is about. So it's a cybersecurity scholarships for up to 3 years of support for cyber security education at undergrad and graduate level, and it's funded through grants by the National Science Foundation. And in return for your scholarship, you must agree to work after graduation for the US government in a position related to cybersecurity for a period equal to the length of your scholarship. So what I did is I clicked here, and I went to this page where it says overview, which I've opened already. And what does it say? It's just, it states here again, overview of, you have to agree to work for the federal government or likewise after you've graduated for the length of your scholarship. So basically, if your scholarship was for 2 years, you have to work for 2 years after you finish your degree with the US government. And eligibility. To be eligible, you must be a citizen or lawful resident of the United States and be a full-time student pursuing or wanting to pursue your bachelor's or your master's. And so if you just scroll down more, it says participating institutions. And so I clicked on that and it took me to this page here, where there is a massive list of all the institutions, colleges, universities and such across the whole of the United States of America. So what I did is I just scrolled down and I went to this one here, North Carolina State University. And so on this page, I then clicked on SFS program, this link here, and then it took me to this page. And it just has more of an overview of this Cyber Corps scholarship. The closing date is February the 18th, 2022. So it just, you can scroll down at your own leisure and just read what this scholarship entails. So it says here as an example, that with this scholarship, it's all tuition, education related costs are covered, as are costs of student health insurance, cost of a laptop, computer, that's quite good actually, books, travel and professional conferences and meetings, and security certifications. In addition, a living stipend of $25,000 for undergraduates or $34,000 for graduate students is paid to each scholar for each year they are in the program. So basically, if you're an undergrad, the max you can get this is for 3 years. And so technically, just the living stipend, that's not including the laptop and other things. If you times $25,000 by 3 years, that'll be $75,000 to live off for 3 years. And your tuition fees are paid for. So that's even more money that you'll never have to pay back as well. So basically, you would be getting all your tuition fees paid for up to 3 years. And if you're an undergrad, every year you'll be receiving $25,000. And if you're a grad student, it'll be $34,000 per year, up to 3 years. So basically, if you're an undergraduate, if you do it for 3 years, you'd receive $75,000. That's just for your living, so your rent or your accommodation. And then obviously on top of that, your fees are paid for in full, tuition fees, and you're also getting more money for laptop, travel, conferences. If you're going in as a graduate student, $34,000 a year. I know most masters in USA are 2 years, so let's assume your master's is 2 years. So that would actually be 34,000 times 2, which is $68,000 just for living stipend. And then obviously your tuition fees and computer, books and travel paid for. So it's quite a lot of money, which is free as well. And with these scholarships, you obviously don't pay it back, but you do have to agree to work with the United States government once you have graduated. So I've just clicked here on this online application and it's opened in a new tab. So just open application form so we can have just a quick look just to see what it looks like. As we've seen already, it covers tuition fees, cost of living, travel, and so forth like that. And upon graduation, you have to work obviously for the United States government. With this one for this university, upon graduating, because obviously this university is in a certain state, you're agreeing to work in that state. And then here it talks about more about funding. It says students typically are funded for 2 years. And then it talks more about the goal. So the program is to strengthen the workforce charged with safeguarding our government agencies from cyber attacks, protecting the security and privacy of the public. And then it just reiterates here, $25,000 a year for undergrads, $34,000 a year for graduates, up to $3,000 for health insurance allowance per year, an allowance of $6,000 for job fair and other travel, professional development, textbooks, professional certifications per academic year. You also getting access to summer internships, typically paid with a government organization. Access also to the Cyber Corps Scholarship for Service Job Fair, where scholarship recipients meet federal or state, local, tribal, and territorial government employment recruiters. As I mentioned earlier, you do have to be a United States of America citizen or a lawful permanent resident in order to apply. And so yeah, apart from this, once you satisfy the requirements, you can apply if you want to apply and this is something you're interested in. And as it does say above as well, it's quite a lot because you are, as I mentioned earlier, you are getting your tuition fees paid for. Number two, you are also receiving stipend, which is like a living allowance each year. Number three, you've got things like health insurance paid for, or like an allowance towards it. You're also getting an allowance for professional development, certifications, textbooks, computer, which is $6,000. You're also going to get in some internships and they're typically also paid. Also, you will get access to the job fair where you will look at jobs that are currently available for you to apply for with the United States government. So it's a really good scheme, I think, because I know that it can be hard leaving uni with a lot of debt. It can be hard leaving uni and trying to secure your first like graduate job. But on this program, basically you will have a graduate job with the US government you will typically get access to summer paid internships. You will have all your tuition fees paid for. You will also have an annual living allowance, and they're just going to be giving you quite a lot of free cash. So this channel is to help you save money, make your money work harder. I think this is a really good scholarship if you're a citizen of the United States or a lawful permanent resident and you want to get into like cybersecurity. I would strongly encourage you to have a look at these scholarships and apply. The form is here, which you can then fill out, and there is about 4 pages for you just to fill out. And then once you're done, you just click submit. I'll just take you back to this. As I mentioned, all the different states, participating states are here, so you can scroll down in your own leisure to the one that's in your area, or maybe a state you want to move to, and just see exactly what they're offering in terms of the degree name, what levels, and then obviously look at, if you want to look at the funding they're giving, the deadlines and so forth. So that is the scholarship that encouraged and inspired me through talking to one of my friends in the United States of America in 2021 about his IT career, with the fact that he was looking for an IT role and didn't really know where to start or what to do because of a few academic areas where he was a bit behind. This is what inspired all these scholarship videos, these last few ones. I know this scholarship is based in the United States and it's for US citizens and legal permanent residents, but I needed to share the scholarship as this is what inspired me for all the other scholarship videos. And I feel that this is a really good scholarship. If you're into cybersecurity, please do have a look at this if you're eligible, because you will save a lot of money and you will come out of university debt free and with a guaranteed job. So yeah, this is the end of the scholarship scheme. As we move on to something new in the next video, thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. God bless and goodbye.